Good morning. This is Eric from American Veterans Painting. I want to show you a quick way to overcome a jagged, terrible line quickly and easily when you're going to repaint mainly office and commercial buildings inside. If you take a look at this line here, you can see the painters that were here before us didn't take any pride in their work and left a terrible jagged line. And quickly, what we're going to do to relieve that real quick is we want to run some tape highest to the worst air that's visible, to the worst painting air that you can see. You run your tape just above the worst air and get it fairly straight.
So the old error, wherever the oldest error is on the previous paint job, you put the tape, you align the tape on that.
The oldest
Yeah.
air that's up on the frame. Exactly.
Which is where?
Which is right here.
Okay, so that's
right there.
Okay. So then that tape is high enough.
Yes, and you run the tape on the top of all the errors, and once we run the tape, you'll be able to see the errors.
So don't worry about seeing a lot of the black.
Right. Run your tape to there, to the highest air above it. Take another little piece to straighten out this corner here. Run it on top of your other tape, like so. And now you're ready for the quick fix. First thing you do, you seal the edge of the tape with a little bit of caulking. Wipe it to fill it in, sealing the tape so that the paint does not seep up underneath the tape. Okay, and after that's done, you simply
paint it right away.
Over the caulk. Paint it.
Paint it right away. Don't wait.
It's wet. Quickly and easily. Paint
Some
it.
people might think you're supposed to wait till the caulking dries, but
and then
you remove the tape right away.
While the caulking and the paint is still wet.
And you have a perfectly straight line.
Crisp, fresh, razor sharp line. Thank you, folks, for joining us today.
See that straight line right there? Of course, there'll be a little bit showing up through, but it's a lot better than it was. The
little bit that's showing up through is actually the oldest error. You couldn't really run the tape this high onto the frame.
But the line is straight now, instead of jagged. And that's been another episode from American Veterans Painting.